Welcome to Amarillo Crest, Habela Township, Taytay, Rizal. Welcome to Amarillo Crest Residences, Phase 1A. Here in Phase 1A, available are residential lot only from 140 square meter to 258 square meter. Iikot lang natin and ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon yung dalawa sa mga prime lot here in Phase 1A, yung located sa Block 2 and Block 1. So yung Block 2 po, ito. So yung isa sa pinaka-prime lot na available sa ngayon is yung itong corner lot. So yung lot size po nito is around 254 square meter and yung isa naman po is yung located sa Block 1. Corner lot also, ito po yun. So ang lot size ito is 227 naman. So yun mga kabahay, kung interested kayo, please contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. Thank you for watching. God bless and bye!